Hi, good morning ladies and gentlemen. We've got Dave at West Yorkshire Horseboxes, and this is a Fiat Ducato on a brand new chassis cab, automatic. The configuration of this box is a stallion layout. As you can see there, really heavy duty ramp with the heavy duty partitions, floor to ceiling, sprung loaded. It's got a roof vent in there, CCTV, heavy duty matting, drainage holes, assisted ramp. As you can see, the top door goes well out of the way, so there's no spooking of the horses. This has got a tat locker on the back, double tat locker, with the bridle hooks in there, as you can see. I'll show you in the back. This customer's opted for under storage cupboard, and there's a wardrobe in there with a seat on that side with a cushion, and a seat on that side with a cushion. As you can obviously see there, that's the tat locker. Twin doors into the horse area. Stylish modern back end with LED lighting. As you can see, the reverse cameras up there. And that is the Equihunter 45. This has 1.8 payload, so you get two big horses in there. And thanks for looking, guys. Nice quick straight video there. Just come back so you can see it. Don't forget, guys, you're quite welcome to hit that like and share button. Visit us at West Yorkshire Horseboxes on Facebook, or visit Equihunter on Facebook. As I say, hit the like and share button. As you know, guys, we've been building these for over 25 years. So we're not a fly-by-night company. We build good quality, strong horse boxes. So you can either call myself Dave Elliott or Chris Newman, and we'll send you an information pack over. Once again, thanks for looking, guys, and as always, stay safe. Thank you. Take care. Bye.